typically from a adoption standpoint, right? What we are observing, like most of the workloads I have been engaged so far, right, and my team, right? I think most of the workloads are around the reporting workloads. Like we are seeing lot of migrations on the specific to reporting workloads. I would say that's the topmost, right? I think from the starting point, right? And the other one is like specific to warehouse. We are seeing a lot of migrations happening around the kind of a warehouse as well. And at the same time, I mentioned about the AI workloads, like Fabric is kind of a knowledge base for your AI workloads, right? So you unify everything in the Fabric ecosystem. Specific to industry solutions, healthcare like really getting traction right now, because I think about the healthcare data where you have a different set of data like DICOM or FHIR, a lot of different data sets, and it's very hard to get kind of insights out of it. You go through a lot of data ingestion processing framework, but within healthcare solutions, it's kind of help optimizing that end-to-end workflow. So we are seeing a lot of customers kind of right now using or analyzing the healthcare solutions. The other one is the ISV ecosystem, right? So a lot of customers right now, a lot of partners, I think they are integrating with ISVs, and Fabric is very open ecosystem where ISVs can do the integration with their product with the Fabric and help customers actually. So we are seeing a lot of integrations like that. And on top of that, like real-time intelligence. So I think specific to airports and manufacturing and a lot of industries right now exploring how we can leverage the real-time data, right, for end-to-end that analytics workflow, right? Now, not only just ingesting or doing that streaming of data, but if a data scientist or other personas, if they want to start scoring or inferencing as soon as the data lands like in this real-time intelligence engine, so they can start that scoring or whatever inferencing as soon as the data lands in Fabric ecosystem. And not only just scoring or inferencing, but let's say you have data, you want to train your model as well, right? So along with that real-time data, you can the real-time intelligence, it replicates data into the one lake, so you can train model as well. So yeah.